So in this quick tutorial I will show you how to download and install all of Warcraft on your PC or laptop for free. First of all, go to your World of Warcraft website, this one, and then you can see top right corner, try for free. You have to press on try for free, and then it will download automatically. Press on save, then you can see the pop-up, then you have to press on this icon, then press on yes, and once done it's take couple of seconds to complete the process. Now the fact is, if you have already Battle.net account, then okay, and if you don't have, then just go to Battle.net and create an account. You can also create an account from here, create a free account, and you can also log in with your Xbox, PlayStation, Google, Steam, any. So I already have an account, so now I am just sign in, press on login, then you can see it's start installing and calculating the size. So press on start installing, and then it's stalling. So it's 497.94 MB. So it's totally depend on your internet speed. So once done, then you can see the play option. You just press on, you will need to press on play and enjoy your game. So that's it. This is how you can easily download and install Warcraft on your PC or laptop. Hope it helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.